The leader in me cut across the cliques. Everybody could do it. Everybody could take pride in doing something.
Being a student ambassador is like I am the voices of our student body. Whatever our student body cannot say, I am the one with my team members so we could say it.
I could be the one person to change my school. I could be the influencer in my school, and I can do something good for my community.
One of the biggest things I've learned about teamwork and collaboration is just how crucial communication is. The biggest part of working together as a team is being able to communicate together as a team. So through this program, I've learned how to express ideas and to receive other people's ideas. And I think that's really going to be a very useful tool for me.
You have to listen to everyone and take all their opinions, so like think independently and think together as one to be able to do great things and to just follow through with our plans.
The key to being an ambassador is finding that connection between your community and your school.
I walk in with groups of visitors all the time. They're very impressed that our kids will not only engage them and speak to them, but they make eye contact, they shake their hands, they are excited about telling them what's going on in their building. And so I think those are all qualities that are going to make them work ready.